It's 2 a.m. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to mysecretcorner.com. Today I will be teaching something simple and easy for a beginner. Let's see what I have here. The materials. Let's start with the materials. I'll be making a pair of earrings for today using head pins, silver plated head pins, 10mm Swarovski pearls, 8mm rondelles, crystal rondelles, and hematite donut beads, 6mm faceted crystals, 6mm jumprings, and leverback hooks. Okay, and for the tools I will be using these round nose pliers for making loops. I'm using the bent chain nose pliers. My favorite part is this because it can reach the far corners. And another plier that is the flat nose pliers with the smooth edge without ridges so that it doesn't mar the wires. Okay, let's start by picking up one 40mm head pins. Pick up one 10mm pearl. Insert the head pin inside the pearl all the way down. Pick up one rondelle. Insert the head pin in the rondelle. Pick up one donut hematite. As you can see, there are two holes on both sides, but I will just put it on the side like that because I still have to insert one crystal into the wire. Okay, like this, and push it inside the ring. Try to push it down. See, it's in. And now slowly pull the wire down and then insert in there. See? Okay, and then everything is down the wire. Okay. And now we're going to make a loop. We pick up our round nose plier. As usual, we go bend the pliers towards you. There. And then slowly bend it backwards just a little bit. And pull down the wire with your finger Okay, push down until you make that shape of a question mark. So now we're going to make a loop around the neck of the wire. Not easy when your wire is short. So I'm gonna put this in there like this to hold the wire. But since I am right-handed, I'm gonna transfer it to my left hand because I'm going to pick up my bent nose pliers. And slowly push down that sticking wire on the side. Okay, I have to push that down. I have to do it slowly. Okay, slowly. See the advantage of this bent nose plier, it can reach the very far corner of the wire. Okay, if it is a bent, it is a little bit bent like that, you just adjust it slowly with the pliers. Okay, and now pick up one jump ring. You find the opening is there. Okay, now we use our flat nose plier to hold half of the ring. The opening is there. Opening is here on top. So I will bend it to open. See? And now I will put this in to the loop like that, and then pick up one ear hook, the leverback, put in, and now we close. Okay, make sure there is no gap or opening. Okay, it's closed. Now there is one earring. Okay, and you do the same with the other one.